Hello everyone, so today we are back with another informative video. In this video we will let you know what are all the common reasons for the Google Merchant Center to get disapproved. So now the introduction. Google Merchant Center serves as a crucial platform for businesses to display their products to a wider audience through Google Shopping and other Google services. To maintain a high standard of user experience, Google enforces strict policies to ensure that product information provided is accurate, reliable, and transparent. Failure to meet these standards can result in suspension of Google Merchant Center account. In this video, we will delve into some common reasons for such suspensions and how businesses can avoid those. The first thing is inaccurate shipping information. Misleading shipping information can lead to a poor user experience. For instance, if your product listing states a shipping cost of $5, but customers are actually charged at $6 at checkout, it creates a discrepancy that erodes trust. Google suspends account when shipping details do not match the actual cost. So it's crucial to give accurate and transparent shipping information. The next thing is the conflicting product prices. Displaying inconsistent product prices is another common issue. If your product price on Google Shopping conflicts with the actual price on your website, it confuses potential buyers and harms your credibility. Google aims to deliver reliable information to users, making price consistency a key factor in maintaining a healthy Merchant Center account. Misleading product information. Providing accurate and comprehensive product details is essential. Misleading or incomplete description, images, or specification can frustrate users who expect a certain product based on the provided information. Google requires merchants to ensure that the product information matches the actual product being offered. The next thing is the unavailability of the advertised product. If a customer clicks on your product listing only to find out that the item is out of stock, it results in a negative user experience. Google suspends account if the advertised product consistently lead to disappointed customers. Regularly updating your product inventory can help to avoid this issue. The next thing is violation of the copyrights. Using copyright images, logos, or trademarks without proper authorization can lead to account suspension. Business should ensure that the images and content they use are either original or properly licensed to avoid intellectual property issues. The next thing is the poor landing page quality. The landing page linked to your product listing is equally important. If it lacks relevant information, contains broken links, or violates Google landing page policies, your account may be suspended. High quality landing pages enhance the user experience and contribute to maintaining a healthy account. So now in terms of the conclusions, Google Merchant Center suspensions are largely driven by the aim to provide accurate and reliable information to users, thereby ensuring a positive online shopping experience. Businesses should prioritize transparent shipping details, consistent pricing, accurate prior product information, and reliable inventory updates. By adhering to these principles, merchants can maintain a trustworthy presence on Google's platform and contribute to a better online shopping ecosystem for everyone involved. So if you have any PPC ads running, then you can contact us for the free audit. We will actually check all the campaigns in the account, and then we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. And if you don't have any PPC campaigns running, then don't worry about it. You can share the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. Then we can do some kind of research, and then we'll be able to share with you the proposal on what exactly that you should be doing.